Look at this, y'all. We are here in Lumpini Park in Bangkok, Thailand. Look at that dragon-like lizard that the birds now are getting away from. The birds already got the rat. We don't know if he had the rat and then they took the rat, but then he stalked them from this tree over here to over there. Now they done flew away. He looking at other things now. He looking up. Wow. I'm glad we don't have them this size. That's what I'm wondering. Here, Komodo dragon.
Hello. Hello.
That's what I told you. I'm about to go because he's about to try to come up over here. Nah, don't be calling him. Oh my God. Where is he? See, y'all, this is what happens when you don't grow up in the country. Urban people be talking about, come on up. Me, as a country girl, I'm trying to leave from over here right now because we don't know what that is, actually. We don't know if he's a Komodo dragon or he's something else. We don't know, can he eat us, small as he might be, or not. I don't know how vicious he is, and like he like human meat or not. But see, Kwame on that tourism, like them people be doing down in Hilton Head, and then them gators be getting them. He talking about he waiting for him to come up over here. Well, while he wait, I'm gonna be on this other side videotaping and taking pictures, y'all. Wait. I got it on video. I got it. Cool, I got it too. He going up under this bridge right here. Swimming together, one coming to the other one. Let's see if it's gonna come all the way to this one. Not visiting today. That's how y'all be doing. Y'all cousins sometimes, y'all see us right there, but y'all be trying to make that wide swing out on the road so you ain't gotta hail nobody. That ain't right. Oh, there's another one here. Wow. See, the one that's swimming is still way out there, coming this way. And here's this one trying to hide, trying to mind his business, and we over here interfering. What is he? That's what I was wondering. An Asian water what? Oh wow, there's a whole bunch of them. It's another one.
He's going back to where he came from.
He came back, yeah. Whatever he went to do didn't work out. Looking up here like, what are these creatures that's up here now? There was one here when I left. And this one here, this thing got an attitude because Kuma done mess with him. There was another sign.
Now we are live Nakhon Nayok City.
Yes, I saw the sign.
We visit the market.
Okay.
Nakhon Nayok.
Nayok. Okay, right there on the sign. Nice. Okay.
Because this market located in the center of the city.
In the center of the city.
Yeah. They follow the city.
Ah, okay. So y'all see when you say fresh fish here at the market, they're actually swimming around. You see that? See? The water is moving. And next to them, frog more people. Look who's here. There's actually frogs. Yeah, they're alive too. Just a little bit earlier, they were trying to jump out. That's why you'll see the net over. See that one moving his leg? He was ready for the jump. Tap him one more time on him, see if he'll move. They say y'all wouldn't let us out of here the last time. So when we jumped, they hit our heads. Can I see the picture you showed us of it cooked?
The tilapia fish, the catfish. Oh, God. And then I showed you the interior there.
And this is how it looks once it's cooked. We're not cooking this today.
You remember?
Okay. Oh, there they go. They're moving on. You see there, they jump. See? So they are still trying to see if they can get away. They're big. So how do you say this in your language?
Kob. K-O-B.
K-O-B.
Water in the temple.
Oh, for the water in the temple, not to eat.
They hope.
Okay.
After he freed the eel
Eel.
for very fast, they hope the business flow like an
Flow
eel.
like the eel. Oh, smart. Okay. For business, for blessings, for prosperity. Yeah. And what are these?
The fish at the
What kind?
Bass.
Bass?
Like a bass.
Baby bass?
Baby bass.
Really? Okay, so we can't catch them that size.
Freshwater bass.
Freshwater bass.
It's same but the bigger
But the bigger ones. Catfish in there. A lot of food. So, pepper, ginger, and that's ginger. And then this is turmeric, right here.
And chili.
And this chili.
Kaffir lime leaf.
Yeah, so this is what we saw on the cook top toads and whatnot. Okay. Is the one driving us around, y'all. So if you see any strange movements of the car, y'all see who is responsible for it. He can't hide under that hat. Y'all all know who he is. So this is the queen driver today. There's Kumar. There he go. We got him. We got him on film. Kumar said, I didn't leave home for this. They know the way. So they basically go on their own. That's usually how this time it works. That's what they move a little bit closer from the edge. But that's why they got a rut here, I guess, because they always walk the same way.
It's like the horse ride.
You say it's like a horse ride? Oh, because the horses know their way, right? Yeah. Yeah, they know him, so they can follow him anyway. Ain't no rush ride, that's for sure. I want to tell them to do. Never thought I have to ride from the ox back and thing like this, y'all. To get out here to the next rice field and thing like that. But we there. So we there is this your time out here in what they call a rice field, not a rice paddy. Okay? Well, we the day from and thing like that. The people don't understand the paddy, the field, all them things still the same thing. Okay, a field of rice. So in order to get about the paddy, we just call them now what we the day, but they call them the rice field right here and thing like that. So we put the ox cart. Even back yonder, if you look on plenty of pictures and thing in the Gullah Geechee Nation and thing like that, it even the same thing. They even had the same wooden cart and thing like that. They had the ox in the front and thing like that, and they would have had them to pull. And then you had the next ox for plow. So we got Mr. Dan, we're going to be one that's going to lead we with the plow after a while and thing like that in the rice field. But right now, we drive up front, Mr. Kumar, who leading us on right here with the oxen thing. The oxen thing know the way. That's what that song say, you know, the old horse that know the way, the young one is final. So that's the one we think we had about in Gullah Geechee and thing like that. But I'm gonna chill and deal with me. I'm gonna go and know this shit that was going on. Even right here in Thailand, in the countryside. So let's see. But this your thing we like for damn punch so much. How they doing right here. I see it's a lot of tin roofs. I noticed they use out here just like we do. A lot of tin for the houses and stuff. I noticed all the way coming in. Look at the crane enjoying them here. I'm sure you get some good stuff out here. Some juicy worms and stuff out there and slugs.
Okay. Whoa. Oh, adventure.
Yeah, they want to come down.
Kumar, you supposed to be driving, Kumar.
Yeah.
Okay, Kumar gets his oxen license revoked. Where do we want to go down there?
To that particular field.
Yeah.
When they kept going
Maybe that's where they from.
to the edge, I'm
Oh,
like, I
this
think
is
they
why
wanna climb down there.
they made the wrong right turn.
Yeah. See, you want them to go up there now.
Okay.
The Kubota. That's the Kubota.
Oh, okay.
Now this reminds me of Underground.
Oh,
So we had the scene with the ark. And we were in the
going down the road like this?
Yeah, we were, yeah.
Oh,
On the edge of the water. That was the scene that I was in. It was like kept looking for me. I'm like, I saw me. Y'all ain't gonna see me. Because I had them beat close up. They got us to blood. That's how they did. They went like the Patriots.
Okay.
I see the boots.
Plot.
Right,
And
right,
they take the sprout
right.
from the nursery plot, put in the main plot like this.
Yes,
But they have to put them in row and leave space,
yes.
a small space, not bigger.
Bigger.
1 feet space.
That's okay, yes, to hold up.
When
in
the rice grow up, it's not too tight.
Yes, I
To control the quality of the rice.
of the rice.
Yeah.
Okay, that's why you do different distances.
Yeah, they take time.
Yeah, you take time. Okay, hold on. Well, I want to tell them to do this year. The Queen quite coming to Hunter from right here where we just finished plant this year. A little bit of demonstration rice or Hunter children would call them and thing like that. Now, Hunter to see with seed and thing like that. Like Hunter to see me put centel now. Well, Hunter to see me with what we do yam about and we call them or you yet about called set. Okay, so they call them sprout. So then what Hunter do is that when Hunter got this sprout and thing of the set. You take set and thing after you have seed, you had a set 100 children see me the whole come in hand and thing like that. And then when you plant them, you want to chuck them down in the ground like this. You have to make sure how far apart it is. So the more far apart and thing like that, then Hunter can rather what one to go and be the best one. What did it? And thing like that. So over time they find out the better one, for how for distance them apart and thing like that. But they don't do them in nursery here. So what we did, we take the seed and take them straight to the field. But here they do them in, like we would say, the hothouse and thing like that. Or some 100 children that do hydroponics. One of them might be able to find a way for do them inside of there. And then when it comes set or sprout, then you carry them into the field like this year. And then 100 can see that it's muddy. And the organic farming, because you see, say, the ox over there with me, Mr. Dan, he there to put manure down while he plow the field and things like that. And so while I'm in the plow, you have to hold and press down for that plow for stay in the ground if one want to make row and things like that. They just gonna show we wrong, but there ain't been a way that 100 children would have really doing. You would have want straight row. That's why when we plant next to one another, we have a stay in straight line, make a straight row. So 100 see we leave patch right showing them what we left here. But it's your part of the rice fatty with the in Thailand. We walked up and all of a sudden we were asked to take photos. That's the paparazzi going on. Nice. This is beautiful. So what water is this?
The origin of the water are from the high mountain in the national park. And water go down become a river.
River. Yeah. What's the name of the national park?
เขาใหญ่ National Park.
เขาอะ
เขาใหญ่ National
เขาใหญ่
Park. It's the most famous national park in the country.
In the country, beautiful.
The
And then
mountain.
the mountains. So what do you call the water?
It's called, its name, Nakhon River.
Okay.
But in the past, it's a river.
It's just, yeah.
And flooding every year.
Really? Oh, but now it doesn't flood.
Yes.
Okay.
Because it's a flat area.
Because it's a flat area.
A flat area which is located nearby the mountain. When the water go down, flooding happens.
Oh, yes. Okay.
And in the dry season, no enough water for the farmer.
For the family.
By the order of the King Rama IX, the former king.
Yeah. He changed it.
Yeah, he created to make a big dam.
Dam, so that the water
Yes,
would go down
yeah,
and
yeah.
people wouldn't flood.
And
there's enough.
after the dam happened, no flooding.
No
In the
flooding.
dry season, take this water to the irrigation canal.
Yeah.
Supply water.
For the farmers.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So
Good
the people
idea.
People in this city love the
Love
king very,
the
very
king.
much.
Yes, and so today they celebrate his birthday, right? His passing.
5th of December, his
5th
birthday.
of December birthday. Okay.
His birthday.
Okay. Wow.
But the former king, 28th of July.
Oh, okay.
The former king, King Rama X.
I see. Awesome. Wise king. He was a wise king. He was wise.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, yes, he was a wise king.
Super intelligent.
Yes, yes, yes.
But in the night time, the wild animals go down to drink water.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, you can see them.
No, I never see. We are not allowed to stay there.
You don't stay
in the night.
So how do you know they are
And
there?
over there, take a look at the accommodation of the foreign
Over here.
officer.
Oh,
Oh, okay. Mm-hmm.
no, the sun is right there, but Kuma, okay, you still trying to take them.
Take a look at the boats in the water.
Yes, I see. We're going to go down.
Since the people with sold their land to the government to make a dam, after
Oh.
that they have no land
To live on.
Yeah, so the government permit them to take a boat here for fishing
Oh,
and take the
okay.
boat for rent.
Oh, that's all right. So then,
It's a new carrier.
so they get the money. Okay. Okay, very good. The votes here are actually rented out by the people who had sold their land. Because they didn't have any land left, then the king allowed them to put boats here so they can go out fishing and everything, continue that tradition. But they also then rent out the boats. So if we wanted to take a boat ride today, then we could pay a certain amount of baht and go out on a boat tour with your group and things like that. I need to find out what the name of their boats are, because they're a very unique set of boats I'm seeing down here. But this is awesome that the king found a way to make sure the community wouldn't continue to be flooded, and to make sure that the farmers and the fishing people were able to keep their traditions alive. He didn't just give away the property, just sell the people out. You still gave them an alternative means to be able to sustain themselves and sustain their family members, even though you were trying to make some progress, because your country is still viable by being able to grow its own food and to be able to get its own food even from the waterways, the harvest from the land and the waterways. So I keep trying to explain to people, this ain't just dry lawn soda. We to do this here for we want people, but we had the Gullah Geechee Fishing Association, and we're having these different events, and we try to make sure we have Gullah Geechees there that make their products, produce their products, whether they harvest it from the field, put it in jars, make quilts, make baskets, things that we make from our own tradition, and to do it on your land that you own. See, when they do stuff in the U.S. government, what they do, especially to people of color and to people who don't have a lot of money, like they like to call Gullah Geechees, cash poor but land rich. What they do is displace people by eminent domain. So when they do that, they do not give any money for it usually, or they don't give market price. And they definitely don't do no swap with you and say, well, we're going to take your land because we need to put a dam there. They're going to go ahead and then give you an opportunity to still have the boats and have that economy. No, they're going to be like, damn you, you're going to take this check. And then you go ahead and handle it after that. Wherever you go, however you live, whether you, your mama, your daddy, and all y'all be outdoors, that's what'll end up happening. So we got to look at things and look at the reality of things. But if you don't travel outside your community, sometimes you don't realize what other communities are doing to sustain themselves and how they're very similar to your own, and that you could put different things into practice or go back, as Papa has taught me, I have to go back to a landmark. So it's good to take the journey and see how other people are faring out here in the land. So this flooding tide of people wanting to fight for and hold on to their culture and traditions is still what's going on right here. And Hana Chilla need to hope on Hana Yon wherever Hana Day.
มีคนขับครับรถเป็นยังไงก็บุกไป
Oh my God. You miss one boat, another one's on their way. Oh, she bailing water out that joint.
Okay.
All right, see, I don't like that right there.
Don't get on.
She bailing water out, y'all.
That's a sign. Pay attention.
Wow.
Going out the other side too.
Wow.
So much for renting a boat.
Yeah, no, that's right. Everybody say, "Gal, you cracky? Y'all watching people bailing water out the water and y'all better go in there." I know we didn't go. And they just as comfy, kicked back with their life jackets on. God bless y'all.
See, I just don't know what kind of creatures is in that water.
I know big versions of the water monitor.
I'm looking how long that motor is. That
Yeah,
thing is,
that's
water's
thick.
deep.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it
thing's
is.
long.
It is. And watch the water monitors be the size of the boat and junk out the size of the boat out here. See that right there? That's why the motor.
Mm-hmm.
See that? That's okay. We don't want to meet Loch Ness and his family.
How long is it?
Wow. This is beautiful though. Glad to see it. Haven't yet been to the Hoover Dam, but we've been to the Panama Canal. And this is really intriguing, like how the Panama Canal was. Also been to Nice and France. And the rockiness out here remind me of that. I know y'all in San Francisco say, yeah, wasn't you on the rocky side of the water there too? Yeah, it was. They try all kind of methods to hold back the erosion. And so it's real interesting to see it though. It's a beautiful place, nice and quiet. This is how I expected to be able to meditate at the temples, but y'all see it ain't so peaceful there like it is here. Yeah. Thank you so much.